What does this win mean for you, but also for Malaysia? Because it's been 10 years since Khairul Pawi won.
Yes, this victory for me incredible because we wait almost 10 years to have the riders compete to take the win in the race in Moto3. The scene Khairul Pawi, and now I make it and then I get the first win. Of course, I think in Malaysia now so happy for me and for also my family, so happy, and also my sponsor.
And Danish was happy to jump through it.
This was a late drama. The contact there, was he being a little bit too impatient there? Max Quiles, that was vital. We said the big winner at that stage. That's an awesome late move by Quiles. Ahead of him though, and out of your picture, Quiles increased his World Championship lead, but it's Hakim Danish who is going to take the headlines with an absolutely astonishing performance. Just look what it means to MT Helmets MSI. That was phenomenal. Yeah, he puts up the finger. Number one, he was P1 on front, and that is going to be a hugely popular victory. He's such a likeable character, Hakim Danish. Every time you see him walk around the paddock, he's got this massive beaming smile on his face. He'll be wearing that right now inside that helmet as they spark wild celebrations. Our tickets on sale right now for the Malaysian Grand Prix
already sold
later
out.
on this year, yeah, because you might want to get on the hotline very quickly. The first for Malaysia and the milestone podium in Moto3 here in Brno.
Of course, a victory for the MT Helmets MSI team, who have
the newest and the 61st different winner in the Moto3 World Championship goes by the name of Hakim Danish. What a moment for the Malaysian. A decade after Khairul Pawi's success in the German Grand Prix at the Sachsenring back in 2016. Almost 190 races without a success for Malaysia. Their new star in the making, their new hero Hakim, has got the job done here in the Grand Prix of Czechia. A day, a 16 laps that young man is never going to forget. He wins out by just under half a second over Brian Uriarte, who had some
the chairman of the board here at the Brno circuit presents the trophy. The dream for Hakim is realised in Czechia today.